In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch language in OBS Studio Windows 11. If you want to use OBS Studio in a different language, the good news is that the process is very simple and only takes a moment. This is useful if you accidentally changed the language before, if you're setting up OBS for someone else, or if you just prefer working in another language for better understanding and easier navigation. To begin, open OBS Studio on your Windows 11 computer. Once the program launches, wait for the main OBS interface to fully load. You should see the standard layout with your scenes, sources, audio mixer, and controls panel. If OBS is already open, you can start right from there. Next, look toward the bottom right corner of the OBS window. In that controls area, click on Settings. This will open the main settings window where OBS lets you adjust things like video, audio, output, and general application preferences. Since language is part of the overall interface setup, that option is located in the General Settings section. Once the settings window appears, stay on the General tab. In most cases, this tab opens by default, so you may not need to switch anywhere else. In the General section, look for the language option. This is where OBS displays the language currently being used for the interface. If you're not sure whether you're in the right place, just look for the drop-down menu that shows the current language selection. Now, click on the current language. This will open a list of available languages that OBS supports. Scroll through the list if needed, then select the new language you want to use. As soon as you choose it, OBS will register that selection in the settings window. Take a second to make sure you've picked the correct language, especially if you're switching to a language you don't use often. Choosing the right one now can save you from having to repeat the process later. Also, if the interface changes after applying the setting, don't worry, that's completely normal. And that's it. You've now changed the language in OBS Studio on Windows 11. This is one of those small settings that can make the software much more comfortable to use, especially if you're learning the program or using it every day for recording and streaming. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly switch the OBS Studio language with confidence.